know if he wants to be a hero. You don't know if he wants to make fucking forever. Good for you. Yeah, it's the best decision I ever made. You know, I've been very, very happy. They've given these guys these oh yeah, great, yeah.
Hey, what's up everyone? The winter camping endeavor here at the lake is coming to an end, so I want to go ahead and break down my stove and get on the road so I can go to a new location. And I had some people request me do a short video on how to break down the wood stove and kind of show some things that I do in order to transport it. So the whole stove collapses and can go inside the stove box here, but you know, I've been running a fire all morning, and the first thing you want to do is cool down your stove. And surprisingly, this doesn't take very long. As long as you remove all the contents out of the firebox, then you're good to go. So I always carry a little metal bucket with me, some fireplace or fire stove gloves, and then a little, this is actually like a gardening tool, just a little spade, to go ahead and get the coals out. And so I'll put on the gloves here. Let's get back just a tad. Put on some gloves, that way keep your hands protected. Most of the coals in here are already out, but there's a few that are still, it's actually a little bit more warm than I thought. So what I'll do is I'll take these, and you want to be careful. You don't want to just dump it in there, because all the ashes will just kind of fly in the air, because they're real fine ashes. Also too, you don't want to lay the metal bucket onto your tent floor, because if there's any sort of charcoal or coals in here that are hot, you know, your bucket's going to get hot and you can potentially melt that, so you don't want to do that. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get all these out of here, and then once you get the stove box clear of any warm coals or hot coals, it cools down real quick, and then within like 20 minutes you can break the whole thing down. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and clean this out, and then I'll show you what I do with the stovepipe.